In this video, I'll show you how to fix the E9 error that you're having on your HP Envi 6000 series printer. It could be 6452E like mine, but any HP Envi that looks just like this one will work the same way. So let's get started. Well, first let me explain why you're getting this error. Mostly it's software. So fortunately, there's nothing physically wrong with your printer. You just need to follow a few steps that I will show you to get it fixed. So the first step is to go on your computer, or if you connected this printer on your smartphone, go on your smartphone, open the HP Smart app, and where you're going to see HP Envi 6400 series, or maybe your 6000 series, you're going to click on it. And then from here, you're going to select Hide Printer. Hide this printer. Click here. All right. Next step is to go on the back of your HP printer. And you see there's two buttons here. There is a power button and there is also a Wi-Fi button. Before pressing on anything, you just need to lift the lid of the printer, the one that revealed the ink cartridge. Okay, let it like this. And under here where I showed you the buttons, you're gonna press on both of these during 5 seconds. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now you can release them. The printer will start moving, will start acting up. Just let it do its thing. Usually after a few minutes, I would say 2 or 3 minutes, it will stop and you can put down this lid. Okay, after 5 minutes passed, I can push down this lid and close it. At this point, the printer should be turned off. And what you need to do also is to unplug it over here and unplug it from the wall socket as well. And you need to wait another minute like this. Once the minute passed, plug back here as well. And now we're gonna turn on the printer by simply pressing this power button during 3 seconds. 2, 3. The printer is now turning on. And you'll need to connect it again to your computer or smartphone. Once the printer is turned on, you just need to leave it a minute to do its own thing. You're gonna press the Wi-Fi button during 3 seconds until the top light here, the front light, turns to purple. So I'll be pressing it right now. I'm pressing it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the lights turned to purple, which means that it's now ready to get set up again with your computer or smartphone. So on the HP Smart app, you'll need to click on this small logo over here with the printer with a plus symbol and go through the normal setup once again that you probably already did in the past, but now we're just trying to reconnect them together. It will search for the printer a few seconds and it should appear in the list. Here we go, HP Envi 6400 series. You're just going to click on it, follow the setup, and your problem will be gone after that. I hope this tutorial was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below if you have other tricks how to get rid of this problem, and I'll see you in the next video.